All right, what we're going to do today is pull the US27 mile marker file and export it to KML so we could use it. Add data, and we have a mile marker file in our GIS folder. We're going to pull the 1/10 of a mile marker shapefile. This is Broward County, and this is US27 right here. And in order to find attributes about it, let's go ahead and select a portion of it. Right-click over the file, open the attribute tables, and we'll focus on the highlighted cells. So you notice the highlighted cells has a roadway ID of 86060. So that gives us the information needed to do a query. Do selection. We're going to do a selection by attribute. I'm going to look in the mile marker file. Select roadway ID that is equal to 86060, I believe. So these are subsection numbers, so they'll probably all be relevant. So let's go ahead and pull all of that. Oh shoot, can't do multiple selections, so let's just do one. Apply. That I have to do for now. Now, with the data that we want highlighted, we right-click, export the data. We want to export the selected features from this layer. And remember to put it somewhere you have access. For instance, put the new file in a folder that you have access to. I can't put it on the server because it'll generate an error. To keep it clean, let's make a new folder. And this is US27. We want to call shapefiles. Alright, so now we can get rid of the main map, and with this in the in display, what we're going to do is we're going to give it some attribute. So once we export it to KML, we want the labels to come up. So make sure to label. Okay, so the mark is the actual mile marker. And let's make it as big as we can, without being too obnoxious. There. So now we have the mile markers laid out. I'm going to go to the Arc toolbox. Go to data. Nope. I'm going to go to conversion. Yeah. I'm going to go layer to KML. Just put it on the desktop. This is US27. Everything will be default. There, it's done. So open the file to see. And now there's a shapefile or a KML file we can work with to determine our position relative to the mile markers. All right, hope this helps you.